Which of the following was not a main cause of World War I? A. Militarism. B. Alliances. C. Immigration. Which event in 1914 caused World War I? A. Germany invaded Belgium. B. Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. C. The assassination of Archduke Francis Ferdinand and his wife Sophie. What were the two sides in World War I? Choose two options. A. The Central Powers. B. The Justice League. C. The Allies. Why didn't the U.S. immediately join World War I? A. They were at war with Spain during the same time. B. They believed in peaceful strategies. C. They were isolationist and wanted to stay out of the war. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The attack and sinking of the blank cost the lives of many people, including Americans, and angered the U.S. Memphis Belle, Lusitania, Arizona, Titanic. What is the Zimmerman telegram? A telegram where the U.S. encouraged Mexico to attack Germany. B. A telegram where Germany encouraged Mexico to attack the U.S. C. A telegram between Britain and the U.S. about an invasion on Germany. The purpose of this propaganda poster is to get people to A. Enlist or join in the military. B. Save resources. C. Give money to the war. What does this poster ask people to do? A. Finance the war. B. Save or conserve resources. C. Enlist, join in the military. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Americans were encouraged to grow their own fruits and vegetables through blank. Victory gardens, war bonds, tomato camps, growth gardens. True or false? Americans were limited in terms of their freedom of speech through the Sedition Act. True, false. During World War I, a way of fighting was used in Europe where the military dug large ditches in the ground. What is this type of warfare called? A. Trench warfare. B. Unrestricted warfare. C. Cyber warfare. Select all the types of technologies and weapons that were used during World War I. A. Machine guns. B. Barbed wire. C. Tanks. D. Airplanes. E. Poison gas. The treaty that ended World War I is called A. The Treaty of Versailles. B. Treaty of Paris. C. Geneva Treaty. Explain how World War I changed the world in 4 to 5 sentences in your own words. Again, do not Google. Do not search for other websites. Use your own words. You may use the audio option to record your answer.